Check out my image to text automations that beat Google's image to text. This right here is the n8n workflow for this automation. I've got two routes here, and I'll show you what these routes do. One of these routes will take in screenshots of text and output the usable plain text, in this case back into my Airtable base. The second route will take in images and create image prompts from those images. You can copy and paste those prompts straight into any image generation tool and create new AI generated images. This is incredibly useful if you want to do stuff in bulk in automation, right? Let's check it out. So in my Airtable base, if you're using Google Sheets, you can definitely build this out in Google Sheets, or just storing some information and triggering the webhook for that n8n automation. So I have a couple tests I ran here building this one out. In these two tests right here, I took in this first one, screenshots of text. A couple pieces of text just to get some ideas here. This was a snippet from Dan Harmon's Story Circle talking about how to write engaging stories, right? So that snippet got inserted and put together with my other two screenshots. I'll show you this first one just to get an idea. Something about building agents, right? I just grabbed some random screenshots of text. Now it output in the generated text field here, it output a full quote unquote document of all the text that the automation sees. So you can be watching YouTube videos, be snapping screenshots of text displayed on the screen and grab all of that text and put it into a single document very easily. So you load up the screenshots, hit generate, and it outputs that generated text. Pretty cool. Same thing here. In this case, I actually generated these images myself, loaded them back into my system to get some new text prompts. All right, so 3 images loaded into the system. And when I hit generate on this one, it's actually going to spit out new records. We got 3 new records from these generated images. So this first image right here spit out this prompt right here. You can reverse engineer prompts this way, or take screenshots of images, take screenshots of other AI generated content, and come up with your own prompts to create similar content. It's very handy for content creators. If you're trying to create trending content or viral content, you can snap some screenshots, just a bunch of screenshots, load them up in here and get all of those prompts all in one go just by hitting one button. So I'm going to demo how this one works. I'm going to create a new record. So I'm going to drop in some new images. I'll go ahead and grab them from my media library. I have a bunch of these images that I've generated for different projects. Now, if you want to learn how to build this entire system, my system will publish to all my social media channels. It'll store all my media. I can produce new content and post it, all kinds of stuff. This is my master content management system. I have the link in the description of this video. If you want to learn how to build this entire system, I teach you step by step, even if you're an absolute beginner. The way that I teach is meant for beginners to pick this stuff up and start learning automation. So it's perfect for content creators. If you're wanting to get into automation, you're wanting to learn how to automate your content, this is the exact thing you need to get into. Check out the link in the description. So what I'm going to do here, let's create a new record and I'll drop in some content from my media library. Let's jump back over there and we'll grab a couple interesting ones. I'll just grab this one. Obviously, they're all very similar for this project I'm working on, but I want to show you some of the nuance we can capture here. I'll take that one and we'll go ahead with this one. Cool, let's jump back into the workflow here. I'll load in those 3 screenshots, or in this case, actual images, not just screenshots, saved images. Load them into the system. There we go. Now I can choose the generation type. I want to generate new prompts. Cool. I'll hit generate. That will trigger this automation. We can jump into the executions, see that one is running right there. We'll come back into Airtable and we'll see those new records pop up here. These new text records will pop up into this table. There we go, 3 new text records. Now what's great about this is I can actually generate new images right here in my same system. Again, if you guys want to learn how to build this entire system, check out my 7-day automation bootcamp. You can learn how to build it in 7 days. So I'm going to grab this first prompt and generate a new image just from the new prompt we got right here. So I'm going to drop this down, say generate image, and click generate. This will run a new automation that will pop in that generated image. There we go. New image coming in here just like that. Looks pretty good. Let's do one more just for fun. There we go. There's the new one. And why not? Let's do the last one. There we go. Got that last one in there. Looks awesome. So pretty cool automation, guys. What I can do next from here is load these new images into my media library so everything is saved nice and neat, all in one spot. There it is, guys. Pretty simple demo right there. If you want to see how to build this automation from scratch, specifically the image to text automation, I can record a video on this automation step by step, showing you exactly how to build it, building out all the n8n nodes and an Airtable base to add your images and create your text. Or if you're using Google Sheets, same idea. Let me know in the comments if you want to see the full step-by-step build. Definitely check out my links below. You can join my school communities. The 7-day Automation Bootcamp shows you how to build this entire system, not just this automation, from scratch for beginners, absolute beginners, 0 to hero. Learn how to build this entire system. The other school community I have up is my main community. This is where we can talk about advanced automation techniques, AI, vibe coding, anything you want to stay ahead. If you're building an agency, starting any kind of AI business, we get into the nitty-gritty over there. So check out my communities. I look forward to seeing you in those groups, and I'll see you in the next video.